Have you ever made a paper airplane with your feet? I always wondered that I can make a paper airplane with both my hands, but can I make it with my one hand? And better yet, can I even make it with my feet? So I decided to challenge all my limbs against each other to see who makes the best paper airplane. The rules are simple. Each limb gets one try and 1 minute. And in that 1 minute, they have to complete the paper airplane. And at the end of the competition, each limb's paper airplane will be flown. The further the plane goes, the winner. Okay, so as you know the rules, I'm just gonna start now. First off, my dominant hand, the left hand. And the 1 minute timer starts now. Okay, so first bend. It's kind of difficult. Second bend. I think I can make it. Okay, this might be doable. Fourth bend. Kind of looks. Okay, so how much? Oh my god, I don't think it's doable in 1 minute. Yeah, I have to. The urge to bring out my other hand is so hard right now. Okay. Final bend. Okay, this might be a bit. I've decided to just give it another bend. Like it's almost done. Just give it another bend. Okay, so this is how the airplane looks with my left hand. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, so next off, my right hand. I don't think it's my dominant hand, but I write with this hand a lot. Even though I play sports with this hand, left hand, that right hand is kind of my dominant hand. Timer starts now. So I have to be a bit quicker this time. First bend. Second bend. Oh, I think right hand might be cooking a lot. Okay. Third bend. Another bend. Right hand is cooking. Oh my god. That's why it's so good. Okay, it might not be cooking as much as I thought it would be. The hardest part is this part. I have to be a bit quicker in this part. Have I gotten used to it? Okay, just two more bends. I have to make it a little bit. Yes. Start. Yeah, no, this looks a bit more terrible than the last one. This is how it looks. And this was my right hand. Okay, so next off, my feet. What? You thought you were gonna see free feet in this economy? Okay, another thing I've decided to do is give every feed 2 minutes because I don't think 1 minute is enough for feed because I've never made an airplane with my feet at all. I mean, who has? Okay, so 2 minute timer starts now. Okay, so okay, then I'll start with this one. Oh, what about this one? Okay, so I should. I think I should do it without the socks. Be happy you are getting free feed in this economy. Okay, so I'll start it again with the socks off. So 2 minute timer starts now. Oh, okay. I can use. Oh, okay. I think it's the right move. I should move the paper outside and oh, okay. I just take it in. Yes, 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 yes. First bend. Oh. How do? Okay. I think I can do it. I just need to be more patient. I can do it. Oh my god, this is harder than it looks. Okay, okay. I need to be slow. I need to be slow and steady. Okay. Yes. Okay. I need to be slow. I need to be slow. Uh, calm down. There's no need to rage. It's just. I can't do it. I have to do it. I have no idea how much time is left, but I think it must be below 1 minute. Okay. The thumb is. I think 2 minutes wasn't enough at all. So yeah, my left foot failed. I'm just gonna move on to the right one. Okay, so now it's the right foot, and I think right foot might be cooking because my dominant foot is my right foot. So let's see how it goes. The 2 minute timer starts now. Okay. I need to be. Okay. Remember the strategy. Push the paper outside and okay. Slowly. Okay, this is so hard. Oh my god. Okay. I need to push this in a bit. This is genuinely so hard. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Yes. At least I'm going somewhere now. Oh no. What the fuck? Whoa! Okay. Come back. Okay. I need to. Another try. Yes. I think I might be. 2 minutes isn't enough for it at all. Oh my god, I've never done anything more stressful than this. Please. I think 2 minutes is over because. Oh. I was so close. Just look at this bend. This bend was so good. Yes, look at this bend. This bend was amazing. What the hell? I don't think 2 minutes is enough for feet. I think both feet failed, so I'm just gonna compare the airplane made from the hand. So yeah, let's go. Free feet content, by the way. Okay, let's see how far the airplane goes. First off is the airplane made from the left hand. Let's test it out. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now the airplane made from the right hand. Let's see how far it goes. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, so right hand wins.